on the light grills onto the saddlebag and the trunk. These are just peel and stick, so come along to the back of the bike and we'll stick them on. Okay, now we'll install the light grills onto the upper and lower lights. Now, first thing we do is give them a cleaning. And same on the other side. Only have to clean around the edges where you're getting your sticky parts sticking on top. At least these are easy to take off. We're going to spend half an hour picking at them. Don't make speak too soon. There we go. And just keep them firmly pressed for maybe 30 seconds or so. Make sure you can't see any light coming through them. And we're nicely stuck. So do this very slowly and try to make sure you line it up properly. Now we'll do the left side. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. Again, move them very slowly. Make sure you stay away from the saddlebag. Don't want them getting caught. Right, and now we have the trunk one. There we go. Yep. There we are. All installed. So hopefully this video wasn't too short for you. And we've now put on the chrome grills and they do add a bit of sparkle to the back of the bike. So hope you join us on the next video. It's goodbye from Paul. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. With